Hey guys, welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So today we got my father-in-law's 2006 Honda Civic, and he just wants to adjust his brake cable a little bit, or his handbrake. So that's what we're going to do today. So you should have about a 5-click to get it to lock, about 5 clicks. And we're about 7, so it's pretty close, but we'll adjust a little bit and see what happens. All right, so we're in the car, and so I will say before you adjust the handbrake cable, the one thing you should check is make sure your the drum brakes in the back are adjusted properly. Be able to turn it freely, but just with a little bit of resistance on it. So make sure those are done first and correctly. And then you come in and you'll adjust your handbrake cable, which we just did there. I know I did the back ones. They should be adjusted just fine. So we just went right to this step. Of course, you're gonna have to jack up the back end of the car, take the wheels off, and get to the drum and the adjustment screw. We did that yesterday. I verified, it was pretty good. I also did that when I put the brakes on. So this was the next step. And that's how you do it. We're gonna pop this plastic piece off, and then we're gonna pop this whole plastic piece off right here. So yeah, all you're gonna need for that. So guys, all you're gonna need is a plastic trim remover or a flathead screwdriver. I like using this one so I don't damage any plastics. All right, so just gonna jam it in there. Comes up pretty easy. Out of the way. This one's a little bit more difficult. I start on the side here. Kind of pry up with my hands a bit. Try to get from the other side. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna have to pull the handbrake a bit, put it in neutral. And it should just come right out. There we go. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you the screw in there. That screw right there. It's a little, see? Can I see the top of it there? Try to focus a bit. Anyways, that screw right there, I'm just going to put a 10mm socket with an extension, and we're going to tighten it up. Probably do just a couple turns and should be good. So that's what we have, just a 10mm with a 6-inch extension, and I just got a little 1/4-inch drive. One, two, three. That's probably good. Okay, so let's try how many clicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is right where we want to be, and I can't really pull anymore without really hard cranking on it. So that's exactly where we want to be, guys. Let's put everything back. We know it's all good, so we're gonna put it in neutral again. Pull up on the handbrake a little bit. Gonna put our dish back in. Plastic thing, whatever you want to call it. There we go. And it just snaps in, guys. And put that piece on. It's really that simple. So it's pretty easy, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and some of the other videos I put out, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can always share it with other people. So thanks for watching, and don't forget, never stop learning.